keep Genie in top condition, regular maintenance and cleaning are essential, especially with the blade deck. Make sure to rinse the blades regularly, but don't use a pressure washer to clean it. When cleaning Genie's lenses, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe the lenses. Avoid using harsh cleaning tools or detergents to prevent damaging the lenses. We should also regularly check the rain sensor right here to prevent dirt, dust, or other debris from affecting it, which could lead to incorrect rain detection. Check the rain sensor right here to prevent dirt, dust, or other debris from affecting it, which could lead to incorrect rain detection. If the moving performance isn't great, the blade might be dull, so maybe it's time to replace it. Simply remove it with our screwdriver right here. Here's the tip. Since our blades have two sharp sides and only one side gets dull, then basically flip it and reinstall it.
We provide a new set of 5 replacement blades.